I've gone 43 years of my life without having lice, and then this past year, my daughter brought it home from school, and we've become really good friends with this spray because let me tell you, those suckers are not easy to destroy. So this spray is great because you just spray it in and you're done. That is it. I'll spray it in my hair. It has an okay smell, although one of my daughters can't stand it, so sometimes we'll spray it outside. And what you want to do is really like get in there, spray everywhere, and then it does have the little pick as well. The best way to use this that I have found is after they shampoo and condition their hair, or maybe it's you will take your hair and like comb it out. That's what I do. First comb it out, make sure there's no tangles, and then you're gonna go piece by piece and pull it through. And then to get anything off of this little comb, because you may find little eggs or full-blown lice, it's a whole wild world out there when your kids get lice, let me tell you. So I take a little glass and I fill it with water and rubbing alcohol, and then I dip this in, and then I have a whole roll of paper towels, and I'm just like sliding things off. The bugs are dying in the alcohol, but then they're also dying on the paper towel. It's a whole ordeal, but this has been great. We always keep it on hand. It's a good preventative too. So if your kids are at school, if one of their friends gets lice, it's a really good chance they're gonna get it as well. And this has been working for us.